Hello guys, like I gotta show you the helicopter, so yeah, let's get started. Alright, this is the world's biggest helicopter. I'm gonna put my iPhone in there to record. So I'm not gonna record anyways because it's dying. So that's okay, I'll put my phone in it. So we got it. Oh, put it onto this hole up there. Just turn it around. Oh man, that this happened. There it is. So the world's biggest helicopter destroyed. The one thing is missing here, but look, there's full of blades. Got this, and the blades is in the floor. Look how few pieces. How many pieces? How do you know this happens? With this helicopter, we have a tiny light in this block. That's okay. I'll fix it. Thanks for watching, guys.